I'm very satisfied with the organization of these 2018 World Championships in Slovenia. Organizers have a lot of experience. They have been organizing the Slovenia Open for the last 15 years, and the expectations were very high. And I think that they meet the expectations. We had a special tribune for wheelchair users. We've had some light spectacle in the marching in, professional TV production in 2 tables. So I think that we have reached a higher level than in previous editions.
Res eno izjemno prvenstvo za nami, več kot 300 igralcev iz več kot 50 držav, pa seveda še veliko trenerjev, spremljevalcev, drugega osebja, ki je skrbelo te dni za to, da je vse teklo tako, kot je bilo treba. Izjemen seveda logističen zalogaj, ki je pa na koncu postregel tudi s tistim, kar smo najbolj želeli in čemur je bil tudi namenjen, namreč izjemnim dvobojem in prikazu res najboljšega paranamiznega tenisa na svetu.